up a hill. That's pretty good. Damn. Woo. Damn, Noah. Damn. Wow, that's even up a hill. It does kick out with the all-wheel drive. That's crazy. Oh, rev against the sky. Oh, not bad. Not. All right, you guys, we got something a little different. We got some subscribers that reached out here. We got an HR 350Z. Damn, Noah. We got a GTR, and we got a boosted 350Z. Hey, what's up? So what's going on with this, Dustin?
Just DE with the Power Lab Turbo Kit.
Yeah. What did it dyno on?
400 wheel, 395 torque.
395 torque. So Dustin reached out to me here. He brought his crew with him. We're gonna go here and just do some laps at Canyon Lake. So let's take a look at under the hood here real quick. Oh yeah, man. So what size is this turbo?
It's a GT3582R.
3582R. Okay.
And then it's got all the supporting stuff like 600cc injectors, fuel pump.
That's right. Your injectors went out. You had to put those on.
Yeah, that was not fun.
Oh yeah. I've never done fuel injectors either. Well, the rails. Where is the rail? It's right.
Right under.
Right. It's right here, isn't it?
See it peeking right here.
Yeah, that's right.
It's not too bad. It's annoying with an intercooler.
Right. Right. Nah, it's a 6Z, dude. I like it.
Thanks, man. She goes pretty good.
I bet. So let's get over here. So we also got GTR. Is anything done to the GTR, or is it just stock? Well, it's gonna be fast as shit if it's just stock, but
No, it's got running 85. It's got all full bolt-ons.
Full bolt-ons?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you dyno tune it at all?
Yeah, it's running cop.
Okay. What did it make at the wheels?
I think I was doing like 650.
Oh wow. Yeah. That's a lot. Heck yeah, man. 350Z also has drag slick. So I was looking at his fitment. He's really got good fitment. 275 here on the front, and then 285s here on the rear. So as we're talking in there, it's about positive offset, not negative offset.
Kind of hard to see, but you can kind of see.
Let me see here. So what is this? A drag slick?
Yeah. Where's the drag tires?
If I can get this thing so I'll see it. Oh, here it is.
Yeah, it's
So what size are those?
It's not a full drag slick right now. That's a NT555 Extreme. And that one's 315, 35, 17.
315s in the back, huh?
Yeah, because the wheel is a 17 by 10.5, and it fits like, that's a good picture to see. It fits like really good.
That looks good.
But I got a set of slicks that are 305, 40, 17 that I'm gonna throw on. Yeah, that's a good picture. It fits real good.
I'm trying to see if I can see this on here. Let's see this.
Yeah, get the best angle for it.
It's hard for me to see it for some reason. You know what? In the shade. Let's check out this fitment down here. So care if I scroll through these
Yeah, if
photos?
you swipe to the left, that's a view from the back with them on.
Alright, so here's his drag radial. So what are, because I'm just going to clip this video in. So what are these again? Because now you can see it.
They're American Racing. The wheels are 17 by 10.5 plus 44.
Okay.
And then with the tire that's on there right now is a 315, 35, 17. And it fits like about perfect.
Yeah, it does. Let's see here. Show me the other one you wanted to show me.
This is from the back with the 315s. Looks nice and meaty.
Man, so you can definitely put 315s on there. So it's all about the offset being right.
And then I really don't even have that big of a spacer. You can kind of see it with the wheels on there. It's like a baby, like.
Oh my God, that's like a millimeter spacer, dude.
2 millimeter spacer. But I don't know if it helps at all, but yeah, they clear the Brembo brakes and everything. So
Looks really good.
You can see the front angle kind of right there too.
Yeah. Huh.
So, yeah. It is possible, just the offset is the biggest factor, really.
Yeah, I was just hoping to be able to get his wide body rims.
Yeah.
I knew they wouldn't fit, but I thought I'd try.
And I'm pretty sure you would have to roll the fenders. Mine were already rolled and pulled a little bit.
Oh, I see, yeah. Yeah, but you got perfect gap too, 2 fingers.
Yeah,
that's what I have. Because then it's daily. You know, you're not, you can actually, I never rub.
Yeah, my older Z, I had 2 85s in the back too. And the fenders were rolled, but you had on coils and that thing was low and scraped everywhere.
Yeah, then it's not even fun to drive at that point. It depends. Some people like it, some people don't. I don't like to scrape because then I'm always like, oh.
I'm not going to set it that low again. I like where it's at right now.
Yeah, 2 fingers is, you're about 1.5 fingers, but yeah, that's perfect. All right, I'm going to ride along with Dustin here in his boosted Z.
It should be able to fit you pretty decent.
Yeah, I'm about your size.
Adjustable.
All right. Well, again, thanks for the invite, dude. I appreciate it. It's nice getting some subscribers to come out. You got a nice little crowd with you.
Yeah.
So what year is this Z again?
04.
It's an 04?
Yeah.
And what'd you say the wheel horsepower was on it?
400.
400? That's just about right, because these twisties, you don't need much more. You just slide out, dude.
Yeah, 7.5 pounds of boost, stock motor.
7.5 pounds boost?
Yeah.
Okay. Fuck up the camera like that. There you go. You just hear the air noise instead of the car noise.
That's right.
You're good. That Z's sick, dude.
Thanks, man.
I like this. Is that?
Yeah, it's got the boost gauge and then like the fuel pressure gauge.
Oh, okay. Whistling sounds good.
Yeah, it's super loud. It's got a tile blow off.
What kind of blow off?
Tile.
Tile?
And then the wastegate's tile too.
Okay. Damn. Tickle my bitties. That's even up a hill. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Man, I need that boost load.
She gets down pretty good.
Yeah. Your dad's hilarious.
Oh yeah, that's funny. He's a good sport, goes with me racing and stuff.
Yeah, that's awesome. What's the suspension on here?
It's just stock shocks and then lowering springs, and it's got big adjustable sway bars too.
It's actually doing pretty good.
Yeah.
Setup basically. Yeah, 275 on the front. Yeah, it handles good.
Yeah.
So I got 275 on the rear, but 255 on the front. But yeah, your turning was like tight.
Yeah. And then my drag radials are 315, 35, 17s.
Gotcha.
The 315s actually fit like perfect.
Yeah, the offset was way off on my buddy's thing, so I didn't know how offset. It's negative, so it just stuck way out. Yeah. So now I learned like what negative offset is, and then positive, it'll come back in more.
Yeah, my rear wheels for that are 17 by 10.5.
So now those noises in real life are a lot more, they're just more serious than when you hear it on video.
When I heard it for the first time, I was like, oh man, I'm buying this car.
Right? What's that?
Somebody behind me is getting some ass out of
Woo! What's the horn for? Oh,
just make sure this guy has
keep oh, because there's other cars. Yeah.
Yeah, had a couple close calls sometimes.
Right. Damn, you said 7 pounds of boost? Man,
7.5.
7.5? Man, that's a lot. Yeah, you smoked me. Obviously.
Pulls pretty good.
Yeah, it does. Thanks for the ride.
Hell yeah, man, it's fun.
Yeah. Oh, you got carbon fiber door seal. Nice. So here we are back at Canyon Lake again. And here's the Dustin Z we were just in.